Hello everyone, how are you doing? I think you are fit as fiddle. Dear students, today I brought a new poem before you, that is The Circus. What is the name of the poem? The Circus. Let me ask some questions. Have you ever been to a circus? What is circus and what do we see in a circus? Do you know, my dear children? Yes. A circus is a company of performers who put on diverse entertainment shows that may include clowns, acrobats, trained animals, trapeze acts, musicians, dancers, hoopers, tightrope walkers, jugglers, magicians, unicyclists, as well as other object manipulation and stunt oriented artists we can see in a circus. Okay, now let me introduce the poet of this poem. So his name is Clarence Michael James Stanislaus Dennis. The poet of this poem, Clarence Michael James Stanislaus Dennis, better known as a C.J. Dennis. So he was born on 7th September 1876 and died on 22nd June 1938. He was an Australian poet known for his humorous poems. So what is meant by humorous? Humorous means comical or funny. Especially the songs of a sentimental bloke published in the early 20th century. Okay, now students, let me read the poem with proper stress, intonation and pronunciation, and you also repeat the poem after me. The Circus. Hey there, hoopla! The circus is in town. Have you seen the elephant? Have you seen the clown? Have you seen the dappled horse gallop round the ring? Have you seen the acrobats on the dizzy swing? Have you seen the tumbling men tumble up and down? Hoopla, hoopla, the circus is in town. Hey there, hoopla! Here is the circus troupe. Here is the educated dog jumping through the hoop. See the lady blondine with the parasol and fan. The lad upon the ladder and the India rubber man. See the joyful juggler and the boy who loops the loop. Hey, 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 here is the circus troupe. Students, in the first stanza of this poem, the poet is bubbling with excitement. And as you can see, hey, hoopla. Hoopla means excitement about something which gets a lot of publicity, or when you won in the competition, that you show your excitement by making loud noise. So we say hoopla. The poet hardly contains his joy at having the circus in town. It seems as though through the poet has already seen the circus. He is so excited about what he has seen that he is asking everybody else if they have seen it too. The poet is asking the people that, have you seen the elephant? Have you seen the clown? So students, the poet is asking them, have you seen the elephant and have you seen the clown? Already has seen those animals and animal and clown in the circus. So clown means a comic entertainer, especially one in a circus wearing a traditional costumes and exaggerated makeup. I think you might have seen in a mall or fair or in the circus or in the amusement park. And he continued, have you seen the dappled horse gallop round the ring? So dappled, what is meant by dappled? Dappled means marked with spots or rounded patches on the horse body. So as you looking patches on the horse body, so these spots are called dapple. Okay. Then gallop. Gallop means the fastest pace of a horse with all the feet off the ground together in each stride. So we say gallop. The dappled horse runs fast and jumps with all the feet off the ground together through the ring or over the ring. So we say dappled horse gallop round the ring. So as you're looking at this picture, the horse runs fast and jumps with all the feet off the ground together through the ring. And let me switch on next line. Have you seen the acrobats on the dizzy swing? So acrobats means entertainers who perform difficult tasks like balancing on high ropes or especially at circus. And dizzy means having or involving a sensation of spinning around and losing one's balance. We say dizzy. As you seeing at this picture, an entertainer is swinging with the help of the rope. So we say acrobats. And these are activities are happening in the circus. Next, have you seen the tumbling man tumble up and down? So here tumbling means falling suddenly and in a dramatic way. You can see this picture. You will come to know the man tumble up and down means falling down and going up. Falling down and suddenly going up. Suddenly falling down. So we say the tumbling man tumble up and down. Hoopla, hoopla, the circus is in town. So again the poet excited and by saying hoopla, hoopla, the circus is in town. In the second stanza, again the poet excited by saying hoopla, hoopla. Hey there, hoopla. Here's the circus troupe. Troupe means a group of actors or singers, etc., who work together. Or in the circus, we see a group entertainers that each one of them does perform individually. Example, clown. Where is clown here? Clown or acrobater or what is a tumbling man, dog, lady blondine, juggler, etc. So these all together work as a group in the circus. So we say a circus troupe. Have you understood? And the poet says the whole troupe is here with lots of animals, with the circus people, with the acrobats and with all other group. Here's the educated dog jumping through the hoop. Say, children, do you know why does the poet call the dog as an educated dog? Do you know? The poet calls the dog as an educated dog because the dog is trained. They're trained enough to jump here and there through the hoop. Hoop means a large ring made of iron or plastic. Okay, we use this hoop in the jump rope. Do you know? Okay, then here's the educated dog, the trained dog jumping through the hoop. As you looking here, the dog is jumping through the hoop. And see the lady blondine with a parasol and fan. Okay, there is a lady blondine having a parasol and fan in her hand. She performs on the stage in the circus having parasol and fan and amuses the people by her catwalk. So parasol means a light umbrella used to give shade from the sun. Upon the ladder and the India rubber man. So a boy or a man is standing upon the high ladder and India rubber man. So India rubber man, he can stretch or bend every part of or any part of his body in any directions. So he's from India. So India rubber man, he is from India and he can stretch or bend any parts of his body in any directions. So we say India rubber man. And see the joyful juggler and the boy who loops the loop. So juggler means juggling is a physical skill performed by a juggler involving the manipulation of objects for recreation, entertainment, art or sport. So especially we can see this activity in amusement park or circus or in the fair. And loop means shape produced by a curve that bends round and crosses itself. Here the juggler makes the shapes round by tossing the balls, and the boy wore a hoop around his waist and twisting his waist. Of this poem. Hey, 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 here's the circus troupe. So lastly, the poet excited and made publicity about the circus by saying, hey, 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 here's the circus troupe. So children, I hope you have understood this poem, The Circus. And homework will be sent through WhatsApp. Do it neatly and post to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.